Hey, thanks for tuning in. My name is Ian, and I am building an E30 LS swap project right now. And today, what we're going to do is we're going to get the car started. We're going to do a couple other things, including washing it and just the very first steps in actually getting some work done on the car. I built this concrete pad that I'm standing on right now to work on it, and I finally have the car actually up on the concrete pad. So right now I'm hobbled up here in my my little tent because it's really crappy and dreary outside, and it's just not great. So you'll see what I did. Stay tuned.
Chuki got the sauce, bitch.
Yeah, it's idling a little rough because of those vacuum leaks there. Let's take it for a little run. I don't think it's gonna, it's been a little while since it's been started up, but you can hear the belts kind of go on and off. Yeah, it shifts good through all the gears. You know, the only thing that was wrong with this car when I picked it up was the fuel pump. So I replaced the fuel pump, the motor started right up, and I'm actually doing this right now after having the car sit for like since July, and it's now December. So yeah, the power steering works good. We get that pump, and yeah, it's solid car. It doesn't you know, you can see the temperature staying steady right there, so no problems with it. Doesn't smoke at all. Okay. Those. So it was about here I realized I don't even have the proper tool that I need. Need a Torx bit for a T55, and I wasn't even trying to take the right bolts out. So after reading some more on how to take the bumper off, I'll be able to get it off next time. Okay, so that was some stuff that I did to the car that you just watched. And I kind of hit a roadblock there because I don't have a T55 Torx bit, I think is what it's called. So I'm probably going to have to pick one of those up and get the bumper off. That'll be a video for another day. It's just crappy outside today. It's not very, you know, I live in Florida. What am I doing here under overcast skies? There's supposed to be sunshine. It's not any sunshine. It's not cool. So we're going to work on the car another day. Just to show you guys real quick, bought some valve lapping compound. I got some of these guys right here. A little questionable looking, but I'm going to lap my valves on these heads that are right here. Let's see what's going on with these babies. This one needs to be cleaned up still. Just got some paper towel in there. That one needs to be cleaned up. This one's cleaned up. You can see a pretty stark contrast there with what's going on. Yeah, the one that I cleaned up, some people were saying, oh, there's going to be pitting on it. And, you know, anything that's on there right now is what was already on there. There's not any pitting from what I can tell. I cleaned the inside with oven cleaner. Haven't looked at the bottom in a bit here. There's, let's see here. Oh. Yeah, I mean, all that junk was already on there as far as corrosion goes. Oven cleaner did a pretty spectacular job. And I'd do it again. What I'm going to do for these is the same thing I did for the heads, or the, how's it at? The block surface. Got another one of these little jobbies here. And saw this on another video. These are little grit rubber fingers that work really good as long as you don't go overboard for cleaning a surface. So we'll see, man. You know, I don't think I screwed anything up on here. Everything looks pretty bueno, if you know what I'm saying. Got a little bit of crap down here in the cylinders. I'm gonna have to make sure I really clean out before I start this thing up, but we'll see what happens. A lot of people are rooting for me to fail. I don't think that's true, but a lot of people I've talked to think I'm an idiot for not taking it to the machine shop, and only time will tell. Let's see how many miles I get out of this baby. So thanks again for watching my project. I want to put out a video every single week, at least, maybe 2 videos a week, depending on what parts come. Like my head gaskets just came, so the motor getting put together is going to be interspersed with getting the car taken apart, get the motor taken out. I want to sell the motor, that kind of thing. So in any case, please click like, please click subscribe, click the notification bell. Those are 3 things. Very hard to count to 3, but I did it that time, and we'll see if I can put a car together. Thanks, guys. See you next time.